Hi, it's Maya. I thought it'd be kinda rad to embroider a Minecraft flower onto my shirt, so here's a tutorial. The materials I used are, of course, a pair of denim shorts, a metal triangle, a pen with ink that will wash out of cloth, some embroidery thread, a needle, and the souls of the innocent. The threads, needle, and pen that I just showed actually came from an embroidery kit that I just ordered off of Amazon. And here's the red flower design that I used for my shorts. So, first I marked where I wanted to embroider my flower with the right angle of the triangle. Then I marked the lines with tick marks to form a sort of grid. Using this grid, I mapped out my design onto my denim canvas, and voila! I decided to start with the stem of the flower. Here's me severing an adequately long piece of green thread. Now, for anyone who isn't aware, embroidery thread is actually made up of 6 strands that you can pull apart and use as different thicknesses. For this design, I'm splitting it in half so that each thread is composed of 3 strands. Once your thread is separated, pass it through the eye of your needle like so, and so that the whole thread doesn't just slip through your cloth, you need to knot the other end by first laying the other end of the thread over your needle. Next, while holding the string you just crossed over the needle down, wrap the same end of thread around the needle in the same direction pictured in the video twice or thrice, depending on your preference. Now, pull the needle through the tight loops you just made, and pull the knot down to the bottom of the string. Alright, now let the stabbing commence. Pass your needle through from the underside of your material and pull it until you feel the knot catch. Then, pass your needle through from the front side and simply repeat over and over. Once you finish or you run out of thread, flip to the other side of your cloth, and I like to split the strands of the thread and tie them together twice to knot and secure the embroidery. Now here's my first block done, and here's a few more blocks done, and here's a few more, and here's my finished product. And this is what it looks like when I wear my new and improved shorts. Thanks for watching and good luck on all of your embroidery endeavors. Ta!